Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. As you can see by the title above, we're doing another test that tool video. As you guys know by my last video, I started a series where I want to start using the tools that I purchased. I tend to buy these tools and never use them or use them once, so I decided to bring them back out and test them out with you guys. So today we're going to be using the We Are Memory Keepers Pom Pom makers. I've had this for quite some time. I purchased this from Brenda. She's the girl that I always purchase from on Instagram, Zavala1354. And I've seen a lot of people use these, but I've never seen how they're actually used. Just that they made the pom-pom, so I want to try it out for myself. Here's 2 yarns from my local dollar store. We got the little instructions going on here. So let's test this tool out. Sitting on the squeaky chair, you guys. So we're gonna try out the medium size one. We're not gonna go too small, we're not gonna go too big, being that it is our first time. So let's see what we got going on here. So it says open both halves of the pom-pom maker, keeping both arms together on each side. So we have to keep both arms together. So we have to have something that looks like this. Okay. And that's what it looks like in the image. So, yep, I think we got it right. And then it says, holding end of yarn in place, start wrapping around both arms on one half of the pom-pom maker. All right, so we're gonna use the pink. And I'm gonna try to do it exactly the way it is in the diagram. I'm gonna hold that down this way, just the way. Actually, I'm going the wrong way, I think. Maybe it's this way. Yep. And then we're going to start wrapping, I guess, till we cover up the whole thing. We'll make it as puffy as we want. We're going to make a little puffy one. Maybe I should just cover it up first and then kind of work my way to making it puffy. And how are you guys enjoying this little series? Even though I only have 2 episodes, I thought it'd be something fun to try out, because I did make a poll on my channel sometime last week, I think it was, and I asked what did you guys want to see out of my channel, whether it was like craft with me's or hauls, and a lot of you guys said that you were tired of seeing hauls because it literally got no votes. Like, I think that my craft with me's had like the 90%. And I get it, you guys, you know, sometimes it's like, okay, you know, I get that a lot. I hear it a lot too, you know, a lot of people saying, oh, I don't want to watch the hauls, I don't have, you know, the funds for that. So I figured I kind of probably do 1 haul a week, and then like the rest craft with me's or stuff like this, so that you guys don't only get stuck with seeing stuff that I buy. Even though I know a lot of you enjoy that, I still want to do a little variety on my channel. So I want to start changing things up and start giving you guys a little bit more of what you want, and, you know, minimizing, still shopping, because I'm never going to stop shopping. I love to buy a bunch of stuff and try out new products, but just not bombard you guys with like 5 or 6 hauls, and start giving you in between a little bit of projects and stuff like that. So back to our pom-pom. So we do one side, and it said to like snip the little top off and then close it, and then start again the same process on the other side. So we're gonna do that. That seems pretty easy, right guys? And let me know if you guys have tried this before, have made your own pom-poms. Do you guys remember back in the day when you used to make them like either like with a cardboard or anything else other than them having the tool. Because I remember as a kid I used to make pom-poms in my recreation, but I just don't remember what we used. I think it was like a cardboard or something. This would have been cool. Who would have known that they would have came out with a tool, right? There's like a tool for everything, you guys. If there's a certain tool that you guys want to see, let me know down below. And if I don't have it, I'll pick it up and test it out for you guys. Or a die or something. Whatever you guys want me to test out, let me know down below. And I'll do the spending for you guys and test it out and see how it works out, so that you guys don't have to rush out and spend money on something that's not worth spending. I hope I didn't make this side more too fat. We're gonna stop it right here, and we're gonna, does it say to snip it to? Let's see what it says. So it repeats the steps, and then it says cut the yarn. Well, yeah, we're gonna have to snip it over here too. Okay, and then let's see what it says. It says to cut the yarn through here, but how? Oh, is it gonna be like? Oh, this is gonna be a little bit difficult. I think so we have to basically snip through here. Right? Is that what it's saying to do? Yep, we have to basically snip, snip. I need like, I thought I had, let me see if these will like work better. I had some, let me see. Give me a second, you guys. No, I thought I had it here. But maybe these right here might work better. Let's see. Yep, I think these are working better. Because I think these are meant for like the fabric and stuff. Maybe we shouldn't make the small ones. I guess if you guys are doing this, don't make them so chunky, because it makes it hard for you to be able to get your scissors through it. But these are pretty good though. Oh, it's looking cute already. Okay, now, but it's, oh my god, I think I snipped the, where's the, all right, something's wrong here. It says, all right, thread a piece of yarn. Oh wait, maybe I did this. Okay, hold on. Thread a piece of yarn through arms of Pom Pom. So maybe I should get another piece and put it through here. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Tie a knot. Like that, I guess. And then open both halves. of the Pom Pom. Alright, you guys, this is not something's not right here. Oh, maybe I didn't squeeze it right? Okay, something is not right here. Something is not right here. This did not work out. I was just making sure how far we are. Of course, this is going to be another 20-minute video because this was an epic fail. So, we're going to try it out again. You guys, is it just me, or I don't understand here what's going on? Let's try this again. We're going to try the big one. This is crazy. This is like, if you guys watched my happy jig one, what is wrong with me? My happy jig one, you saw that the same thing happened to me at the beginning. It's like one wrong, and like hopefully this time we get it right. Because the same thing happened to me with making the cactus. So now, of course, it happens to me with this Pom Pom. And being that this one is bigger, I'm thinking I should make it fluffier. Oops. This is supposed to be fast, you guys. It's supposed to be fast, and it's not. Well, maybe it's because it's my first time. Don't judge me, you guys. Don't judge me. This is a perfect... What was I going to say? I lost my train of thought. Oh, it's a perfect example of when you just buy tools just to buy them, because, like... Sometimes I don't know how long I've had this sitting there. Alright, I'm thinking, you guys think that's enough? Alright, let's just do this side over here, which doesn't seem puffy enough. And then we'll bring it back to the middle, and then close it up and snip it up here. I'm gonna leave it a little longer this time, and then we're gonna try it again over here. You guys, something's gotta give, because this cannot be that hard. Let's see. This is when I should have the music, but no, we're not doing all that. We're doing real time, so you guys know how long it really takes to make a damn pom-pom. Now when you watch those videos where it's like 5 minutes, meanwhile they were behind the scenes like almost an hour making a pom-pom. Here you're gonna know exactly the struggle and how long it really takes if you don't know what you're doing and you're doing it for the first time, like my case right here. Sheesh, I feel like I'm using the whole roll. Then again, Lily, you did waste a pom-pom. Okay, being that there's a knot here, thank God we're gonna have to stop it right there because, okay. So now, let's read this again because maybe I did something wrong. We snip the ends and then it says repeat on both sides. I did that. And then it says cut yarn in between arms of pom-pom. Okay, so that's here where we're snipping, right? Let me just hold this together. In between, these scissors are good. You guys gotta definitely check these scissors out on eBay. See, it looks so good, but then it's like, what am I doing wrong? Oops, don't let it go. Don't let it go. Oh yeah, these scissors are good. They're my new favorite for yarn. Okay, so now this is thread a piece of yarn through arms of pom-pom. So that would be through here. All right, let's try this again. So it basically, it's saying to do it through here, right? And then it's basically saying to make the knot. Should I make another knot maybe? Okay. And then it says open both halves so it's basically saying open both halves okay. And then we do this side. Okay. And then it says pull the pom-pom out, but how? How do I get my pom-pom out? It says, oh wait, pull the pom-pom apart. You guys, I got it. Look at my little pom-pom. And then you just trim it. I'm assuming you trim it and make it look cute and even. We did it. Oh my God, this is so cute. I love it. Well, you can make like a little knot here, but look, you guys. 18 minutes in, but we got a pom-pom. And look how fluffy it is. Super cute. So there you go, you guys. We made a mistake, but we ended up with a pom-pom. So hope you guys are enjoying this series. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Bye, guys.